We all want to preserve that showroom look for as long as possible, and with GardX, you can keep your car gleaming. Dirt, grime, the sun's UV rays, and other man-made and aggressive pollutants all seriously degrade your car's flawless finish. And conventional waxes just aren't powerful enough to preserve that showroom shine. GardX vehicle protection systems are the solution. For your paintwork, we introduced the CX3 Vehicle Protection System. CX3 Paintwork Protection provides a highly resilient, high-gloss protective coating that's invisible to the naked eye, thanks to the powerful blend of ceramic and graphene technology to offer next-level durability against aggressive and harmful pollutants. Our protection products have been proven in some of the world's harshest environments and subjected to rigorous lab testing, and will keep your vehicle looking as fresh as the day you drove it off the forecourt. Your interiors also need protecting. On a daily basis, your interior fabric is at risk of staining and damage. Dirt, spills, food, children, pets. StainGuard offers an invisible protective barrier for fabric interiors and carpets, coating each individual fabric fiber with a highly effective protective layer. Liquid spillages will either bead up on the fabric surface ready to be wiped away, or will simply pass through the weave without staining. For leather interiors, LeatherGuard provides an invisible, stain-resistant barrier that will keep your leather seats nourished and moisturized long after treatment. Protecting against every eventuality is easy with GardX. TireGuard is an emergency tire repair kit. It allows you to temporarily repair a puncture and re-inflate your tire, avoiding the need to change your tire in tricky or dangerous locations or wait hours for roadside assistance. For treacherous driving conditions like rain and snow, you can maintain good visibility on the road with GlassGuard. The hydrophobic glass treatment repels rain and allows it to aerodynamically run off to enhance visibility and improve safety. So, to protect your vehicle and its future resale value, choose award-winning vehicle protection from GardX. With a lifetime guarantee, you can enjoy the showroom look forever. Protect your pride and joy. Go with GardX.